I'm going to move fast in this tutorial, so try to keep up. You can press pause and you can rewind if needed. First thing that you're going to do is download a picture from Pixabay of a pine tree or pine forest. You'll go to File, Place, navigate to it, and you'll click the image and you'll place it right here. Go ahead, use your selection tool to position this in the top corner, and then hold Shift to resize so it fits the artboard. Use the artboard tool in order to resize it to the size of the picture. Don't stretch out your picture and make it all weird looking. Alright, now what we're going to do is press Ctrl-0 to expand it. You'll see there's an X through our picture. That means that it's linked and not embedded. We can fix that by embedding it. Then click in your Layers panel right here, click this drop down and lock this layer in place so we don't accidentally move it. Alright, we're going to move quick now. Here we go. Grab your ellipse tool, hold Shift and create a circle like so. What we're going to do is create 3 circles. I'm going to press Alt-Shift-Click in order to duplicate this, and I'm going to change the color. I'm going to Alt-Click-Shift again, and I'm going to change this color as well. The circles should be different sizes, just a little bit different. As you can see, I'm resizing right here. I'm going to select them all, and then I will align them in the middle like so. That's pretty good, actually. So now what I'm going to do is go to Window, Pathfinder, and I'm going to select the 2 outermost. I don't have this middle one right here selected. I'm going to minus front like so. So I've subtracted the inner circle from the outer circle. You can see it sort of looks like this, creates a ring. Alright, now I'm going to grab my rectangle tool. I'm going to use my smart guides in order to create a rectangle that covers half of this circle and half of that ring. Then I use my Pathfinder tools again in order to minus front. I'm going to create one more rectangle like so. Use my Pathfinder tools. I hold Shift to select 2 objects at the same time. Minus front again. Oops, made a mistake. Let me have this and the ring minus front. Alright, now we're going to change this to white, and we will create a rectangle like so. Notice this dimension right here is similar to this dimension right here. And we're going to grab our text tool. We're going to click in the box and write I like pine trees using all caps. And we're going to resize this to about 48 and position it in the middle. Next step is to click on this, go to Object, Expand, hit OK, and now we can subtract the word from the rectangle, but only if we object expand, otherwise it won't work. Next step, we're going to grab our pen tool. We're going to grab this, create a custom shape, like so. Use our smart guides to make it straight, down to the right, over to the left, about halfway right here, and then find that intersection, like so. Now I'm going to duplicate this, do my Alt-Click Shift trick, Object, Transform, Reflect, like so on the vertical axis. Then I can position this so that it's in a similar spot right here. I can use my smart guides to line it up as well, and we're good. Alright, now here's where it gets pretty cool. We're going to open up a Google Chrome tab, and we're going to search pine tree, and we're going to go to images. We're going to change search tools to type clip art, and we're going to click on this image right here, and we will file save image as to our desktop for right now or into your H drive. Go file, place, grab that pine tree image right here, and we're going to use this really cool tool. I'm going to zoom out a little bit and actually work off the artboard. I'm going to image trace, and I'm going to expand. And now this is where it gets a little tricky. I'm going to use my direct selection tool to click off of the image and only grab the black portion, leaving the white behind. And I can delete the white portion so that it's not sort of in the way. Now I can position this image in the middle of my semicircle here. I may have to do a little bit of correction. I'm going to bring these 2 points down and make sure that that is good. Okay, so now I can grab the semicircle and the pine tree, and again I'm going to minus front. Now I can grab everything, I'm going to group it together, I'm going to change my opacity to between 50 and 80%. Creates that semi-transparent logo. Alrighty, what you'll do next is position it on a spot that works quite well, and we can grab our artboard tool and we'll create a second artboard, and your job is to use this technique to create your own custom picture. That's it.